Hi everybody. In today's class review video, I want to go over with you how we ask questions in English using the word do. So let's start. Let's start with a present tense question. Present tense question. What's a question someone may ask you in the present tense? How about the question, do you speak English? And now remember, I want you to love your English voice. I want you to practice speaking out loud and hear yourself speak English. So please repeat after me when I say these questions. Do you speak English? And what's the answer? The answer is yes or no. So we can say, yes, I do speak English. Now, of course, for a native speaker, a lot of native speakers may just say, yes, I do. But in class, I like to hear big sentences. So we'll say, yes, I do speak English. That's if the answer is yes. If the answer is no, maybe we'll say, no, I do. What do we say? We say, no, I do not speak English. Okay, and of course, native speakers love using contractions. So for me, instead of saying, no, I do not, I will probably use a contraction. I will probably say, no, I don't speak English. Good, pretty easy. Now, if the answer is yes, someone says, do you speak English? You can say, yes, I do speak English. Or sometimes we just say simply, yes, I speak English. They mean the same thing. Two ways to say the same thing. Yes, I do speak English, or yes, I speak English. Excellent, very easy. Now, how about in the past tense? What if we make in the past tense? It's a little more complicated, right? So the past tense, let's remember before we go any further that in English, most verbs have a present tense form, like do or go or speak, and a past tense form, like did for do. Go becomes went in the past tense, and speak becomes spoke in the past tense. So we're talking about the word do now. So we're gonna have to keep this word in mind right here. We're gonna have to think about this word did. So let's go back to past tense. And first, I'm just going to paste in the form. I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to take the same question from the present tense and make it the past tense, okay? How do we do this? We take this over here. There we have it. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, to make it past tense, we're going to have to change this word, this word, this word. Let's start with the do. Do you speak English? Today, that's the present tense. In the past tense, we say it differently. In the past tense, we'll say, what do we say? You know, right? What do we say? We say, did you speak English? Did you speak English? And the answer is yes, I did speak English yesterday. The answer is no, you say no, I did not speak English yesterday. And again, we have a contraction here, so maybe you'll say no, I didn't speak English yesterday. So we replaced do with did. That made the whole sentence, the whole question, the whole answer past tense. But we have a problem here. In this second example, first I said, yes, I did speak English. I used did. In this one, I did not use the word did. And the word speak is still in the present tense. So if we use this form, if we answer yes and we choose not to say the word did, we have to change this word into the past tense. So let's go back over. Past tense of speak, we want to use the word spoke. So we have to change speak into spoke here. Yes, I spoke. Yes, I spoke English. Excellent. Spoke English. And there we go in the past tense. Now, let's talk a little more about how we would change these questions to talk about the future. So to go to the future, again, I'm going to take the present tense form, copy that, and we'll begin with that same structure. We'll make it just a little bit different. To put it here and put it in the future tense. So the future tense, we will change this word do and did again, right? They have to change one more time. How do we do this? I think you know, I think you remember from class, right? We go to the word do, and we're gonna change the word do to make that about the future. We'll change do here to make this about the future, and we'll change these words to make this about the future. So how do we change it? We simply take the word do, we replace it with the word will. Tomorrow, will you speak English? The answer is yes, I will speak English. Yes, I will speak English. You know, this form, we don't use this in the future. We don't have to leave it like that. We say, yes, I will speak English. Or no, do. We have to change do, right? No, I will not speak English. And again, of course, us English speakers, we love our contractions. So instead of saying will not, I'm more likely to say won't. No, I won't speak English. So there you go. The present tense, the past tense, and future tense of how to use the word do or did or will to ask these questions. I hope this helped out. I'll see you in class.